Hello students, Biosavers are back again with a very easy topic in the cell biology series that is about Golgi complex. So let's get started. But before starting today's topic, one of you have asked me about the term endomembrane system. So what's that? So I want to explain you with a very basic example of our WhatsApp. Now we make WhatsApp groups. हम WhatsApp groups बनाते हैं. किसके साथ बनाते हैं? उन्हीं के साथ बनाते हैं जिनके साथ हमारा काम एसोसिएटेड है, जिनके साथ हम काम करते हैं. फॉर सपोज अगर आप 11th क्लास में पढ़ रहे होगे तो आप 9th क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स के साथ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप नहीं बनाओगे. वाई? बिकॉज यू आर नॉट वर्किंग विद देम. हम उन्हीं के साथ बनाते हैं जिनके साथ हम काम कर रहे हैं. सो सेम सिनेरियो सेल में भी है. Some of the organelles are associated with each other. They are coordinating with each other continuously because their functions are combined, are associated. So they have made a group which is called as endomembrane system. So कुछ membrane bound organelles like Golgi complex, lysosomes, vacuoles are considered to be the part of endomembrane system. But दूसरे membrane bound organelles का क्या? जैसे कि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया है, क्लोरोप्लास्ट है, पेरिऑक्सीसोम्स है, ये भी membrane bound organelle है. फिर ये क्यों endomembrane system का part नहीं है? Because their functions are quite different from there. And they are not coordinating with each other continuously. So उनको ये वाले WhatsApp group में endomembrane system में join नहीं किया है. So I hope now we are very clear with this term endomembrane system. So now let's start with our today's topic, that is Golgi complex, talking about its discovery. So Camillo Golgi नाम के scientist ने discover किया था 1898 में. He observed in the nerve cells of owl and cat. What he observed? He observed the reticular structure. Reticular structure means net-like structure near the nucleus, which was later named by him. While its electron microscopic structure was seen by Dalton and Palix in 1954. Talking about its location, so it is found in almost all the eukaryotic cell, but some of the cells such as mammalian RBCs, sperm cells of bryophytes and pteridophytes, and sieve tubes of plants lack this Golgi complex. While it is extensive, means it is present in more amount in secretory cells. Why it is present in more amount in such cells, we will study further. It is totally absent in the prokaryotic cell. Now, an important point to note here it is, in plant cells, Golgi complex is called as dictyosome. सो अब अगर हम इनके स्ट्रक्चर की बात करें तो गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स का स्ट्रक्चर काफ़ी सिंपल है. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 एलिमेंट्स, दैट इज सिस्टर्नी, वेसिकल्स एंड ट्यूब्यूल्स. सिस्टर्नी क्या है? दे आर ट्यूबुलर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर एंड दे आर अरेंज्ड इन अ स्टैक पैटर्न. वेसिकल्स, दे आर स्मॉल राउंडेड बॉडीज एंड दे आर अटैच्ड टू द एंड ऑफ द सिस्टर्नी. while tubules, they arise from the periphery of the cisternae and some of them enlarge at their ends to form the vesicles. Now I want to make certain terms clear with you. They are, अगर एक सिस्टर्नी प्रेजेंट है सो इट इज नोन एज गोल्गी बॉडी. अगर स्टैक ऑफ सिस्टर्नी प्रेजेंट है देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज गोल्गी apparatus. एंड अगर सिस्टर्नी एंड वेसिकल्स बोथ आर प्रेजेंट देन द होल स्ट्रक्चर इज नोन एज गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स. इसके अलावा Golgi complex is polar, means it has 2 different phases. One is cis phase, which is called as forming phase, and other is trans phase, which is known as maturing phase. अब इन दोनों phases में difference क्या है? सबसे पहले तो the name itself says cis phase, that is forming phase is present near the nucleus, and endoplasmic reticulum में से vesicles release होके they arrive at this phase of Golgi complex, and it is present near the nucleus. अब trans phase क्या है? Trans phase is present towards the cytoplasm. So it is present near the plasma membrane, and vesicles form into the rounded bodies and they get bud off from this phase. We will see this whole process through an animated video in the further lecture. So this was about the simple structure about the Golgi complex कि उसमें cisternae होते हैं, vesicles होते हैं, and we have talked about the basic terms, that is what is Golgi body, Golgi apparatus and Golgi complex. So this is the basic difference between the forming phase and maturing phase, which I have already talked about. That maturing phase is the cis phase, which receives the materials from the endoplasmic reticulum, and maturing phase is the trans phase, which transport the formed material, packed material to the further organ. So now talking about the functions. So the very important function of the Golgi complex is packaging. packaging of what? Packaging of protein molecules. So what happens? Endoplasmic reticulum continuously material secrete करती है and they get received by the cis phase of the Golgi complex which is near to the nucleus, which is near to the endoplasmic reticulum. So cis phase उसको receive करती है. Now what it does, it transport to in a body of inside the Golgi complex. Inside the body complex Golgi complex क्या होता है? They get wrapped by the membrane से उसको wrap करते हैं. So they turn into the small bodies which are vesicles. Now इस vesicles के अंदर क्या होते हैं? Identifying tags होते हैं. Identifying tags क्यों होते हैं? Because they get received by the specific particular organ. For suppose अगर मुझे ये vesicles को pituitary gland में transport करना है तो there will be particular identifying tag of the pituitary gland. अगर मुझे इन्हें memory gland में identify भेजना है तो there will be particular identifying tag of the memory gland. And after adding of the identification tag, they get secreted from the trans phase of the Golgi complex. As they are secreting from the Golgi complex into the in the form of small rounded bodies, they are known as secretory vesicles. Now to ये प्रोसेस आपको और भी अच्छे से समझ आएगी through the animated video which I am going to show you. And important point is this is very important function of the Golgi complex and also very important topic from the exam point of view. So let's go through the video. So packaging Golgi complex के अंदर कैसे होती है, we will see that through a video. So as you can see here, Golgi complex lies surrounded by the endoplasmic reticulum and it is made up of cisternae which are arranged in the stack pattern, and small rounded bodies at their end which are called as vesicles are present at their end. Now the cis phase of Golgi complex receive the materials from the endoplasmic reticulum continuously. What they do, pack those materials and send them towards the trans phase. So ये packing होती कैसे है वो हम देखते हैं. पैकेजिंग इन्वॉल्व्स द रैपिंग द मटेरियल. तो जैसे हम बॉक्स में पैक करते हैं उसी तरह से Golgi कॉम्प्लेक्स क्या करता है, मटेरियल को मेम्ब्रेन से पैक करता है, ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है. अब हम क्या करते हैं, पार्सल के ऊपर एड्रेस का नेम लिखते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि रिसीवर आइडेंटिफाई कर सके और सही जगह पे पहुंचा सके. सो वैसे ही देर आर सर्टन केमिकल लेबल्स और आइडेंटिफिकेशन टैग्स जैसे कि फॉस्फेट ग्रुप्स, दे आर एडेड इनटू द बॉक्स. उनको भी मटेरियल के साथ पैक करते हैं सो दैट वो सही जगह पे जा सके. एज यू कैन सी हियर देर आर पर्टिकुलर डिफरेंट कलर्स ऑफ फॉस्फेट ग्रुप्स एडेड टू द बॉक्स. Why they are added? So they can be identified by the receiver organ. As the packaging is done, it gets bud off from the trans phase and gets released into the cytoplasm and then goes to the particular part. So second function of Golgi complex is synthesis of carbohydrate, means Golgi apparatus सिंपल कार्बोहाइड्रेट जैसे कि गैलेक्टोज, सर्टन पॉलीसेकेराइड्स दैट इज सेल्यूलोज, हेमीसेल्यूलोज, ये सब भी सिंथेसिस करता है. द थर्ड फंक्शन इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स एंड ग्लाइकोलिपिड्स. अब ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स और ग्लाइकोलिपिड्स कैसे बनाता है कि दैट प्रोटीन्स उनके पास एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं एंड दे सिंथेसाइज कार्बोहाइड्रेट. सो कार्बोहाइड्रेट को प्रोटीन के साथ लिंकअप करके दे फॉर्म ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स एंड कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स को लिपिड के साथ इंटरेक्ट करके दे फॉर्म ग्लाइकोलिपिड. सो इस तरह से ये सारे कंपाउंड्स दे फॉर्म and transported to the required organ. And the fourth function, which is very important function, is the formation of lysosomes. We have already talked about कि packaging कैसे होती है. So at the end when they release the secretory vesicles, these secretory vesicles are released into the cytoplasm of the cell. So these small rounded bodies which are secreted from the Golgi complex is called as lysosomes or primary lysosomes. So I hope now you are clear with the topic. If any doubts, do let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.